13 tools you should know if you're thinking of creating a TikTok account as a business owner. First one is called Notion. You can use Notion to plan your TikTok content. They have this calendar view so you can customize and make your own TikTok content calendar. This way you're organized and you don't have to stress out about what to create next. You can store your captions, hashtags, all inside of Notion. Next, we have CapCut. This is a free online video editor. You can use this on your mobile device as well as your desktop to edit your TikTok videos. Next one is called Topic Mojo. This is a free online tool to find trending questions on all these different platforms. You can easily find questions that people are asking in your industry or niche. This is great for TikTok SEO. Check out Later. This is what I personally use to schedule all my social media content. If you have a TikTok business account, you can automatically post your TikTok content using Later. And Later is a marketing partner of TikTok, so you know they're good. Next, check out the Trend Talk app. This is what I personally use to find trending audio on TikTok super fast. They have this personalized audio for you depending on what your business is. So that's pretty convenient. They also have this top sounds by region. I like to use Top Sounds USA, and then whatever sound that you choose, it's gonna give you a trend of where it's at right now, and you can open it right on TikTok and use the sound. If you like to use original audio, I highly recommend checking out Epidemic Sound. They have thousands of beautiful royalty-free audio that you can use on social media. Next, check out InShot. This is a really cool mobile video editor. You can bring in your own music, even add GIFs and stickers to your videos. Next, check out the vidIQ free Chrome extension. You can use this to automatically measure your TikTok engagement rate per video, so you can see your best performing videos. Next, go to TikTok Creative Center. There's a ton of useful resources for business owners. You can look at hashtags, trends, tags, even learn from top performing ads and see what's new on TikTok. If you don't have a lot of video content, check out Pexels to get royalty-free stock footage for your TikTok videos. There's tons to choose from. Check out Canva. They have really cool TikTok templates that you could use if you don't know where to get started. They have one for TikTok videos, TikTok stories, as well as TikTok profile photos. Check out the Canva video editor. It's super user-friendly and it's great for beginners. Check out Copy AI. You can use artificial intelligence to come up with great hooks for your TikTok videos. Even write all your TikTok descriptions using artificial intelligence. I use this tool daily and it saves me so much time. Speaking of saving time, check out repurpose.io. You just have to set this up one time and you can automatically download your TikToks without a watermark and then schedule it to post on all these other social media platforms. I use this to personally download all my TikTok videos automatically and then store them in my Google Drive. This helps me create a backup of all my TikTok content without lifting a finger. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to follow for more.